Yo, check out this sick monster truck I just got from Hosim. It's four-wheel drive. It has headlights. It has shocks, rubber tires, electronic speed controller. Anyway, they sent me this monster truck that my fans were sure to love. As you can tell, I already drove it. I was in a bit of a rush to get it done before a thunderstorm came. I wasn't willing to get struck by lightning for it, so calling it 10th scale. I guess that's whatever, maybe 1/12 scale, but they call it 1/10. Comes with two bodies. It's very springy. I'm willing to bet there's no oil in the shocks. I should have checked before I drove it. It was nearly impossible to drive straight. Not because of all the crazy power from that brushed motor, but because of the bouncy suspension and the weak steering servo and the pretty hard tires. Let's see what else here. So it does have headlights, so I could use those on something else. I'd like to say that sells for $99.99. $380, $390, whatever motor with a heat sink. And just after one run with one 1500 milliamp battery through it, this thing was blazing hot. Hear that? A very robust looking speed control / receiver. Sounds good. So it does come with two of these 2-cell batteries. I got about 15 minutes of it. It started to rain, so it was cut short, but it looked like it was already slowing down. It's not crazy fast. I could barely do some jumps. Has a little servo in it, which had a hard time recentering. So we'd hit a bump steer, and then you'd kind of be going off in the other direction. It has two Velcro battery tie downs. Make sure you don't lose that battery. Those are plastic CV axles. Let's check one of these shocks out. And I was right. There's no oil in the shocks, and it doesn't look like they would hold any. Yeah. So what else do you get? Here's your transmitter. It's very basic. A wheelie bar, which you shouldn't need because this thing cannot do a wheelie. We have a bag in a bag with a little mustache brush and little silicone type body clip things. A USB balance charger that would probably take a month to charge the batteries. More body clips, tiny little screwdrivers, servo horns, cross wrench. Extra axle nuts in case you lose a wheel from all that torque. There it is with the other body. Super sick. Awesome car. Courageous. Ascend. It's just words. Another monster truck video. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Stick around if you want to see it drive in the dirt. Thanks. Here's a cat. Whoa.